Welcome to the StatTree video module for McNemar's test. To test whether there are differences between two categorical variables, the McNemar's test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the paired samples t-test, but for categorical variables. You will need two dichotomous categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, the era of preferred movie is categorical with two nominal values. Fortunately, subjects were tested for preference of movie era before and after viewing movie trailers in our experiment. Pre- and post-treatment of this preference of movie era would be appropriate for our demonstration. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose era as the first variable in the pair and era T2 as the second variable in the pair. To run the McNemar's test for differences, go to Analyze in the top menu, select Non-Parametric Tests, select Legacy Dialogues, and choose Two Related Samples. When the Two Related Samples Tests dialog box appears, select the era of preference variable and press the arrow button next to the test pairs box. Then select the preference for era at time 2 variable and press the arrow button next to the test pairs box. Both variables should then appear next to pair 1. Under test type, select McNemar. Press OK. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample size figure next to n for this significant finding. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.